What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Taking a little break from the cars, cut up some wood. So I mean, if anybody doesn't know how to use a chainsaw, this is the perfect time to learn. That's what I'm using today. Still MS260. So let's set it up and get right to work. Well, yeah, if you guys ever wondered where the fuel and oil goes, usually on opposite sides. Don't ever mix it up like I did before. All right, so let me put the stand up and get right to work. As you can see, I put that work in. Didn't take me that long, 5 minutes. Quick job. Until next time, thanks for watching.